Many code blocks could be in different shapes. For example, the F block could be nested, or it could be if something is 1, is 2, is 3, 4, etc. could be more combined. But if you have only one simple comparison, if something it is true or false, or it is binary, you could make it simpler. Just as an example here, if checkbox value is true, space after then selection.fontBold is true, else make a selection false. And because it is one line of code, which it is called inline code, we don't need endif here. This simple line, it is called inline code, and in these simple conditions, we could use that. It is exactly working same. Allow me to actually remove the contents here. All right, and run the macro. And using that. For more types of blocks of F or others, I will mention in the future. But just here I mentioned to note that we don't have only one shape of code blocks.